Good morning, dear students. In our previous grammar class, we learned about the sentence. Do you remember types of sentences? Yes? Good. Then, today we are going to do the exercise part for that lesson. Okay? Are you ready? Okay? Get ready with your pencils and open your term 1 textbook grammar part of this is from page number 54. Open page number 54. See what is a sentence? Yes, tell. Yes, a group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence, right? Yes, many words join together and form sentence, but the main thing is that words must be meaningful. We can't join whatever we like. It must be meaningful. Okay? See the first exercise A. Tick the sentences that are complete and make sense. So here, see the first. We have to tick the sentences that are complete and meaningful. Okay? First, eat it. It is a complete sense. So tick to that. See the second one. Elephants are. Elephants are what? Nothing given. So this sentence is not a complete. We can't give tick to this box or this question. 3. Under the table. What is there under the table? Is this completed? No, this is not a complete sense, right? Under the table. What? What is under the table? It is not mentioned. So, this is not a complete sense. See, next question. The ground is wet. Yes, this is a complete. The ground is wet. Okay, wet means? Yes, it is with water. Right? So we can give tick. Next, number 5. Mita's sister. Is this a complete sense? No. Why? Mita's sister only given. No? What she? Nothing given. So we can't tell this is a complete sense. Next, number 6. The girls are asleep. Sorry, the girls are asleep. The girls are asleep. Is this meaningful? No. The girls are asleep. This is not meaningful. So, we can't give tick to this. Okay? Next, number 7. Reena was. Reena was. Is this meaningful, students? No, it was not meaningful. We can't give tick to this. Next, 8th question. On the bridge. Is this meaningful? No. Why? On the bridge, what is there? It is not given there. So, we can't give tick to this question also. Next, number 9. Go home. Yes, this is meaningful, right? Go home. Give tick. Next, 10th one. Where are you? Yes, this is also meaningful, right? Give tick. Next, across these. Across these. Is this meaningful? No, we can't give tick. Doll is. No, this is also not meaningful. We can't give tick. For you. For you. What for you? Not given. So we can't give tick. See? Go to bed. Yes, this is meaningful, right? So then we can give tick for this question. Okay, understand students? The sentences which are meaningful, we given tick for those questions. Okay. Next. Okay. Let us know the parts of a sentence. See, we have to remember one thing, that is, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, exclamation or question mark. We learned already in our previous class regarding this. For example, I am Ram. Are you Ram? That is Ram. See the first example? This is full stop, right? Then question mark, exclamation mark, right? See the examples. So, remember one thing, the sentence always ends with full stop, question mark or exclamation mark, right? Okay. Now, rearrange the mixed up words to make sentences. Put punctuation. Okay. See, this sentence is not meaningful. Book, this is a. Is this meaningful? No, this is not meaningful. So we have to start the sentence with capital letter. Always start the sentence with capital letter, and at the end we have to give question mark or full stop or exclamation mark. Okay? According to that sentence we will end the sentence. Okay, let's start. See, book, this is a. How can we write this? This is a book, right? Yes. Start. Write neatly. THIS, this. T, capital letter T. Capital letter T. This is a book. What symbol we have to give here? Yes, we can give full stop. And also, we can frame this question into question also. See here, students. Is this a book? Is this a book? No? Yes, we can write like that also. Okay. Draw a bar like this and write is, I capital letter. Is this, THIS, this a book? BOOK, book. So here what symbol we have to give? This is a question, right? So give question mark. Okay. Now, a pencil, this is. A pencil, this is. How can we write this sentence? Yes, sorry, a pencil, that is. See, that is a pencil, right? Okay, T capital letter, T capital letter, THAT, that is a pencil. PENCIL. Here, what sentence? Yes, it is assertive. So we have to give full stop. This is a assertive. This is an assertive sentence. Okay, so give or statement. We can call this a statement. Okay, assertive or statement. Full stop. This question also we can ask a question. See, is that a pencil? Is that a pencil? No? Write that also. Draw bar like this. Capital letter. Is that a pencil? Question mark. Okay? Understand? See? Now, is that what? Is that what? How can we write this? How can we change this sentence into meaningful? This is not meaningful. So, see? What is that? No? Right. Capital W. H. A. T. What is that? T. H. A. T. Question, no? Give question. For using questions, we can use what, which, is, are, how. These words we can use for asking questions. Okay. Now see. What your address is. What your address is. How can we write this? This is a question, right? So, what is your address? What is your address? Very easy. No? Right. W H A T. What is your? Y-O-U-R. Your address. A-D-D-R-E-S-S. Address. What is your address? Yes, it is a question. So, we have to give question mark. Okay. Next. Good to drink milk is. How can you use this? Yes, tell me. Milk is good to drink. Milk is good to drink. Right? Okay. Start. Milk. Milk spelling M-I-L-K. Milk is good. Milk is good to drink. Do you drink milk? Do you like to drink milk? Yes, I too like. So, at the end, full stop. Okay. Next. My office is in father his. Yes, tell me. My office is in father his. Yes. Tell. Yes. First of all, my father. My father. Right. M capital letter. My father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father is. Where is my father? Is in his office. No? My father is in his office. Where is my father? Yes, my father is in his O-F-F-I-C-E office. Okay? Full stop. Okay? Now, minutes, it is past 2:06. Yes. Now, tell me. Tell. It is 2 minutes. Say 2 minutes past 6. Right? It is 2 minutes past 6. Okay. It, I capital letter, it is how many minutes? 2. TWO 2 minutes. MINUTES minutes. Past. PAST past. Yes, tell. How much? 6. SIX 6. What symbol? Here. Yes. Full stop. Next. Many how these flowers are. Okay. Try. Very easy. Say. See here. This is a question. How is there? So we can write this. How. H capital letter. How many? MANY. How many flowers are these? No? How many flowers are these? Question. Flowers. FLOWERS. Flowers are these. THESE. Question mark, right? I told you, for making questions we can use how, what, which, are, is. These are the words we can use. See here. So started with the how. So this is a question. Give question mark. Okay. Next. Near the tree, car is the. Say. Try. The car is very easy. Near the tree. No? The car is near the tree. Now, this you write your own. Okay. Looks your nice hat very. Tell me. Your hat looks very nice. No? And full stop. Okay. These two you have to do yourself. Okay, students. This is for today. And hope you all understand this part. And tomorrow or next class we will continue the remaining. Okay. Have a nice day, students.